Humane AI Pin. Meet AI Pin, a gadget nicknamed the smartphone killer by some publications. Created by Humane, a company founded by former Apple employees, it's getting attention for being more intriguing than your typical iPhone, weighing in at just 50 g. AI Pin packs quite a punch with its 8-core processor, camera, microphone, motion sensors, and even a laser projector. It's not just for making calls, sending messages, or playing music. AI Pin can also project a 720-pixel image anywhere, including your hand. On top of that, it comes with a built-in assistant powered by AI algorithms. This means it can guide you, work as a translator, and handle other tasks effortlessly. The AI Pin is priced starting from $700. Picture this: you order a pizza and Bixby gets to your doorstep as cold as ice. To tackle this issue, Domino's, the top pizza chain in terms of sales, decided to step up its delivery game by introducing the DXB electric bike, specifically designed for couriers. This bike comes with a built-in oven. This oven does wonders. It keeps your meal piping hot at 68 degrees Celsius, ensuring it reaches your door in top-notch condition. The cheese is perfectly stretchy and the crust strikes the right balance between crispy and tender to keep the pizza steady during the journey. The oven uses the G-force system, cutting down the pizza's overload by a whopping 67%. Plus, this bike can transport a hefty 10 kilograms of pizza in one go. Check out the world's coolest Garaventa 136F. You'll spawn funicular railway. It's cool in every way. Thanks to its cylindrical cabins, it handles crazy steep slopes with ease. Take the Swiss village of Stews, for instance, where they set a world record. The funicula climbs up 47 degrees in the steepest section. As if that weren't enough, it also cruises over 2 bridges and through 3 tunnels, gaining a total height of 743 m. And here's an interesting fact: back in 2007, Stews only had 6 residents, but now it's a solid ski resort. So besides offering breathtaking views, this Finnic railway is likely raking in some good profits. 2. Amazon is developing palm payment. Amazon One technology. Users simply place their palm on the terminal, and the smart system analyzes its lines, curves, and vein patterns. The connected card is then identified for debit. Amazon created its own algorithms using machine vision for flawless operation. Seattle residents tested the tech first in Amazon stores, and the company aims to expand it to various places like stadiums and office centers. After all, a palm is hard to forget at home, unlike a ticket or a pass. Samsung Sky Switchblade. Samsung Sky was featured in one of our videos earlier, and since then the team has been hard at work. This fall, Samsung Sky marked a significant milestone by successfully completing its first flight, reaching an altitude of around 152 m. The flight lasted nearly 6 minutes before smooth landing. This achievement brings great excitement for potential customers. With a whopping 2,300 reservations already made, there's no surprise, considering the upcoming Samsung Sky is designed to reach speeds of 2,011 km per hour on the road and 322 km/h in the air, with a swift 3-minute transition between modes. BioLeg. While flying cars grab headlines, the Bionic M team quietly leads in prosthetic innovations. Hailing from Japan, they are pioneers in a new prosthetic category. Their creation, Bio, stands out for being a prosthetic leg featuring a microprocessor-driven joint with sensors operating a rate of 200 times per second. It allows for activities like walking stairs, rising from chairs, and using the prosthetic leg for support. BioLeg can handle up to 125 kilograms and boasts a 16-hour battery life. On a single I'm Back film, or know someone who is get ready for this, the Swiss team at I'm Back found a way to cut costs on your film. Swap it out with this upgrade, and your camera will allow you to shoot without worrying about running out of shots, and to film 4K video. Save your shots on an SD card or share them through Wi-Fi. And here's another bonus: I'm Back has presets that mimic the look of legendary Fujifilm and Kodachrome films. This upgrade works with all 35mm analog cameras and is available for $111 as part of their Kickstarter Skywall Patrol campaign. Check out this interesting solution to tackle WAVs from the British company OpenWorks Engineering. They've crafted the Skywall Patrol grenade launcher, complete with various ammo options. Take the SP-40 for instance. It not only nets the drone but also parachutes it down, though the range is capped at 120 m. Now if you opt for the SP-90, the range jumps to 200 m, but there's no parachutes, and the drone crashes instead. The grenade launcher's smart software handles acquisition, tracking, and firing adjustments, all powered by a pneumatic system. Lely Exos. Experts predict a global milk shortage of around 15 million tons by 2030. To address this, farmers are turning to innovations like the Lele Exos. This system autonomously collects fresh grass and feeds it to cows. Fresh grass is 10 to 20% more nutritious than silage and promotes healthier cows and increased milk production over time. The system can harvest grass from early spring to late fall, reducing the need for manual labor and allowing farmers to offer milk at a more affordable price. As a result, even competitors are likely to adopt Lele Exos, making it a sustainable fixture on future dairy farms. This footage shows the Las Vacas Ocean Cleanup Interceptor 006 river, responsible for carrying around 20,000 tons of plastic into the Caribbean Sea annually. Besides, it serves as the main outlet for untreated sewage from Guatemala. To address this issue, the Ocean Cleanup Team from the Netherlands intervened. They deployed various barrier systems, including the Interceptor, original, capable of holding 10 tons of trash in the larger Motagua River basin, where the Las Vacas flows. Ocean cleanup systems have already captured 850 tons of trash in flyby. Now let's talk about a German innovation. The German startup Inflabi offers a unique bicycle helmet. It's inflatable, making it easy to fold and carry in your pocket, ready to ride. Just pump the helmet with a bicycle pump to 2 bar, and you're good to go. Test results show that the helmet provides 4 times better protection than the standard set by Europe and safety regulations. This innovative solution is available for purchase at $130. TechZone Model T. Here's another renovation from Japan, and this time merchandisers have something to smile about. The TechZone Model T robot is here to assist in beautifully arranging products, managing shelf conditions, and other tasks. Picture this: a person comfortably seated at home controls the robot through VR systems. Pure convenience. Manufacturers believe it's entirely feasible to deploy these robots in all stores across the country. Equipped with both vacuum suction and 2-finger grippers, these robots ensure nothing gets dropped. Plus, with a signal delay of only 50 milliseconds, the robot and human team operates in perfect sync, ensuring precise work. T-shirt TV. Now you can showcase your favorite memes directly on your t-shirt. The American team at FutureMind Labs has integrated a 10-inch screen into this clothing item, priced at $149. It's not just about pictures. You can also surprise others with gifts and videos, including those from TikTok. The screen is removable, making washing hassle-free. However, there's a catch: the charge lasts a maximum of 4 hours. So if you're heading out, be sure to bring a power bank along for the walk back to the USA, where they Mini Mover simplified life for owners of camping and other trailers with an upgrade called Mini Mover. This enhancement in its Gen 2 version is equipped with a 550 W electric motor, enabling a single person to effortlessly move a trailer at a speed of about 6 to 7 m per minute, thanks to its automatic braking system. Mataminco MT90 Plus, $815. How far-reaching should a reliable flashlight be? Priced at $570. This one boasts an impressive beam distance of about 162 m, equipped with an active cooling system. It's safeguarded against overheating. The flashlight is both shockproof and waterproof, but its weight is substantial, 3.4 kilograms. Recognizing this, the designers added a special handle and belt mounts. Powering up requires 818650 batteries, which in medium brightness mode last for around 4.5 hours. OceanX Aquapod. People worldwide consume an average of 20.5 kg of fish products annually, double the amount from 60 years ago. To meet this growing demand, the fishing industry is gradually embracing new technologies. In the US, the Aquapod system has been introduced. Consists of spheres of varying diameters capable of reaching up to 28 m. These spheres stay deep underwater, offering fish both protection and proper nutrition. The GPS tracks their movements, and integrated motors ensure course correction. The company's director noted, the fish are healthy, growing well, and are where they're meant to be in the ocean.